Today's lesson is about empathy without waffling. In OET speaking, empathy starts with listening, not explaining, not reassuring, listening first. Before empathy, confirm understanding. You can say, "Let me repeat what you said to make sure I understood you correctly. You mentioned the pain started 2 weeks ago and worsens with movement. Is that right?" This shows active listening. Examiners reward this. Now, use empathy correctly. Empathy works best when sympathy and reassurance are given together, not separately. Use this structure. First, acknowledge and align. "I understand this has been worrying for you." That reaction is completely understandable. Then, reassure with action. "But let me reassure you that we will examine this carefully and explain the next steps." Let's rewrite a cold sentence. "Please don't worry." Better. "I understand this situation feels worrying, but let me reassure you that I will check this thoroughly and guide you through the results." Empathy is not long. Empathy is controlled. Empathy shows understanding and direction.